Do you manage multiple projects in Microsoft Planner? Keeping track of tasks across multiple plans can quickly become difficult, especially when you're working across different teams or departments. Microsoft Planner portfolios help solve this problem by bringing multiple plans together into a single view. Instead of opening plans one at a time, you can monitor progress, track status, and identify issues across multiple projects from one central location. This gives project managers, team leaders, and administrators a much clearer view of work across the organization. Portfolios make it easier to identify risks, monitor progress, and keep projects aligned without constantly switching between plans. At Modern Workspace Pro, we assess updates using the MWPro Impact Score, our Microsoft Change Intelligence framework for IT admins. This update delivers strong productivity benefits for organizations. For the full analysis, screenshots, and implementation guidance, visit mwpro.co.uk.